Hello my dear students, welcome to Study Learners Institution. I am Mayank Prajapati, the teacher of Social Science Study Learners Institution. इस चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें. In this video, we will understand Geography Chapter 1, India Size and Location of Class 9. Now we talk about our introduction. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It is located entirely in the northern hemisphere, and India's civilization is one of the oldest civilizations in the world during the last 50 years. Now we talk about location. First, India is a vast country. Vast means that big. India is a vast country located in the northern hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Hemisphere is that one half of the earth. Second, its mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 n and 37 degree 6 n and longitudes 68 degree 7 e and 97 degree 25 e. मीन्स दैट लैटिट्यूड मीन्स जो लेटी हुई लाइन होती है अर्थ में, लेटी हुई लाइन होती है वो लैटिट्यूड्स होती हैं, और लॉन्गिट्यूड जो खड़ी होती है अर्थ मीन्स ग्लोब में. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट थर्ड. इंडिया इज डिवाइडेड इनटू ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल पार्ट्स बाय ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर 23 डिग्री 30 n means that the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. Fourth, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands are the two groups of islands belonging to India. Now we talk about size. First, India's landmass with an area of 3.28 million square kilometer occupies 24% of the total geographical area of the world. Second, India is the 7th largest country of the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Third point, India has a land boundary which extends over 15,200 km and the length of its coastline, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, is about 7,516.6 kilometers. Now if we talk about India and the world. India occupies the greater part of the South Asia. India has a central location between the East and West Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connects the country of Europe in the west and the countries of Asia provide a strategic central location to India. Time along the standard meridian of India passing through Mirzapur is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The various paths across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. The ideas of Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes in the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 700 kilometers. This is the graph of 7 largest countries. Now we talk about India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. 6. southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. 7. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. Means that its southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now we talk about equator, an imaginary line drawn east-west along the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the North Pole and the South Pole. What is pole? One of the two ends of the Earth's imaginary axis. What is primary meridian? An imaginary semicircular line joining the North Pole and the South Pole that passes over the Greenwich Observatory near London. The value of this meridian is taken to be 0 degree longitude. Thank you.